Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by diagnosing where the noise comes from and when it spikes. Place the Xbox with at least 6 inches clearance on all ventilation sides for reliable airflow. Check ambient temperature and lower it if it exceeds 30 degrees C, because heat forces the fan to run harder. Update the console software and perform a full power cycle to rule out firmware glitches causing fan behavior. Observe noise during idle and gaming to identify patterns before moving to cleaning or hardware fixes. Power off and unplug the Xbox before any cleaning to prevent damage or shock. Stand the console upright and use compressed air in short 1 to 2 second bursts to remove dust from vents. Avoid vacuuming the vents directly because strong suction can harm fans and electronics. If comfortable and the warranty has expired, open the case carefully. Reapply 1 pea-sized drop of thermal paste to the CPU if temperatures remain high after cleaning. If cleaning and thermal paste do not quiet the fan, consider replacing the fan assembly. Replace the fan only with a matching OEM or high-quality aftermarket model. Typical fan cost ranges from 0 to 0. Test the replacement fan for smooth bearing rotation before full reassembly to avoid repeated work. For a less invasive option, use a USB cooling stand or quieter third-party fan to assist external cooling. Contact Microsoft Repair when the console remains noisy and is still under warranty for professional service.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.